Here's a quick reference for the basics you need to know on verbals, which are participles, gerunds, and infinitives. Let's start with participles. A participle is a verb that ends in ing or ed and is used to describe or give more information about a noun. We say that it acts like an adjective because it describes a noun. Let's take a look at the first example. Scooping a spoonful of hot fudge into her bowl, Marissa wore a big smile on her face. So in this sentence, Marissa is the subject, wore is the action verb. What did Marissa wear? Smile is the direct object, and on her face is a prepositional phrase. So we're left with scooping a spoonful of hot fudge into her bowl. This is a participial phrase, and scooping is the participle. It acts as an adjective because it gives more information about Marissa. Marissa is a noun, and adjectives describe nouns, therefore this is a participle. Look at the second example. My husband ordered the baked salmon for dinner. Husband is the subject. Ordered is the action verb. What did my husband order? Salmon is the direct object, and for dinner is a prepositional phrase. Baked is an ed verb that acts as an adjective because it's giving more information about the salmon. What kind of salmon? The baked salmon. It's a participle because it describes a noun. Let's take a look at gerunds. A gerund is a verb that ends in ing and acts as a noun in the sentence. Gerunds can be the subject, direct object, predicate nominative, or object of the preposition. So basically anything that a noun can be in a sentence, a gerund can be that too. Let's take a look at some examples. Skating was Luke's strength in hockey. Was is the linking verb. Strength is the predicate nominative. In hockey is a prepositional phrase. So what was Luke's strength? Skating was. Skating is the subject of this sentence. You know that subjects have to be nouns or pronouns. So in this case, skating is an ing verb that acts like a noun, functioning as the subject in the sentence. Look at the second sentence. Marie enjoys biking on the trail. Marie is the subject. Enjoys is the action verb. Ask yourself, what does Marie enjoy? Biking. Biking is the direct object. Now you already know that direct objects can only be nouns or pronouns. So here we have the word biking. It's an ing verb that's acting as a direct object. Since it's a direct object, it has to be a noun. Biking is a gerund. And finally, let's look at infinitives. Infinitives are easy because it's to plus a verb. Now remember, to plus a noun is a prepositional phrase. So you've got to look at the word after to and decide, is it a verb? If so, it's an infinitive. If the word after to is a noun, you've got a prepositional phrase. So let's take a look at the examples. I need to finish my poster during 7th period. To finish is an infinitive because finish is a verb. I am not going to talk during the test. To talk is an infinitive because talk is a verb. So let's recap. Participles are verbs that end in ing or ed and are used to describe or give more information about a noun. Gerunds are verbs that end in ing and act as a noun in the sentence. And finally, infinitives are to plus a verb.